Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to quickly show you how you can premiere your YouTube Shorts video on your YouTube channel. For that you will have to open your YouTube app first, click on the plus symbol at the bottom here and click on upload a video and select any short video that you would like to upload. Probably I'll select this one and then click on next and then click on next again, and here if you go to the visibility section and select schedule, you will see that there is no option of premiering your shorts video over here. So the first step is select the time in which you would like to schedule this video and then go back and then give any title. For example, I'll just give title and then click on upload short. So the short video is getting uploaded without being premiered as of now. After this, the second step is you'll have to open YT Studio and then go to that video that you just now uploaded, click on the edit button and then click on visibility again, and now you can see here there is an option set as premiere. So you can select this option over here and then click on save, and then your video will be premiered at the time that you have mentioned in this video. So hope this video was informative. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thanks for watching.